Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will discuss about how to convert Excel sheet into PDF file. We have mainly three steps for creating a PDF file using an Excel sheet. Number one, you have to define the worksheet variable and set it as usual. So here you can see dim ws as worksheet. Ws is the worksheet variable, and we are setting set ws is equal to this workbook dot sheets of data. That means the data sheet in this workbook. Second one, you have to activate that sheet. That means you have to go to that sheet. So if you are not going to that sheet, Excel VBA is going to trigger an error. Okay. So for that, we can use the code ws.activate. Then step number 3, you have to export the sheet as PDF. So usually if you want to make PDF using Excel file, you will be using save as, and you will be changing the type to PDF, file type to PDF, right? Okay, so this is exactly same like that. This is like exporting the data to PDF. So for exporting the data, you will have the code like ws dot export as fixed format. So that means you can export not only as PDF, you can export as PDF, you can export as XPS, you can export as XML. So it supports many types. So here you are specifying the type colon equals Excel type PDF. So this is the type used for the PDF. Then you have to say the file name. So you are saying file name equals in quotation d colon slash. D colon slash means the file is going to the D drive. And is a concatenation that we know already. ws.name means it is going to take the name of the sheet. So if you want to give a customized name, please feel free to give it inside this quotation. Okay, comma, then you have to say quality colon equals Excel quality standard. So there is Excel quality standard, Excel quality low, Excel quality high also. Standard is the normal regular quality. And comma, and you can see I have put a space and underscore here. Space and underscore is for breaking a single line code into multiple lines. That means these two lines are actually single line code. So I don't have enough space here to accommodate the single line. So that's why I put it in multiple line. For putting it in multiple line, we use space underscore, then write the remaining code in the next line. Then we are saying include doc properties true. Doc properties means date of creation, author's name, and all those things. So if you want to include that, you can put it true or you can guess false. Okay, then ignore print areas false. That means we don't want to ignore the print areas, we just want to export the PDF file as print areas because it will fit in A4 or A3 or whatever page you specify from the page layout tab. Then comma, open after publish true. So you can see usually when you save as a file as PDF, at the moment it opens to show you it actually converted as PDF, right? Okay, so when you say true, actually it will open at the moment when you convert it. So if you are saying false here, it will be saved in the D drive. You won't see the real-time opening of this PDF file. Okay, so let's try this. What I'm going to do is like I have a generate PDF report button here. When I click this button, I want the data in this data sheet to be converted as PDF. That's what is my plan. Okay, so I will go back to, or I will go to Excel VBA interface. Then I will define the workbook, dim ws as worksheet, define the worksheet. Okay, then I'm setting that to data sheet. Set ws is equal to this workbook dot sheets of data. That's the name of the sheet which contains data. The next thing you have to do is to activate the ws. So I'm saying ws dot activate. Now next thing you have to do is export. So I'm saying ws dot export as fixed format, type colon equals Excel type PDF, comma, then file name colon equals, and I'm saying like e colon slash then and ws dot name comma, then I will say quality, then excel, sorry, colon equals excel quality standard, then comma, then I will break the line, underscore, enter, then I will say include doc properties, colon equals true, comma, ignore print areas, colon equals false, then finally saying like open after publish, colon equals true. So this is our code. Now let's go back and assign it to the button and see what happens. Right click, assign macro, create PDF. Okay, then when I click this, there you go, the PDF is now generated and it shows up. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.